Hell yeah. Okay. We're gonna have a blast. Are you ready to have a blast? Give us a little.
Let's go! Woo! Oh man, cramp.
Woohoo! I found one for you, BB.
Just kidding. Like, wow, she ruined my face.
I wasn't. I was recording myself.
Definitely.
Woohoo!
What's that like? Are we ready?
No, you did not just find those. You did not just find those. Nice. I do.
Right,
Smells like lake.
my phone down there. See how I'd be losing things?
I can't see anything.
Squat down. Point. And then ball. Oh, I get that.
You have it. You've
missed
got it.
I missed it completely.
The nose thing is, I'm gonna drown.
Hold your nose. Just hold it. Hold it.
Can I hold my nose?
Yeah. Hold your nose.
Do you remember what she said?
That was not. You're gonna pick your hands up. Fingers, head, hips, toes.
Fingers, head, hip, toes.
Ready?
We got this.
1, 2, 3.
That was a good dart.
Oh yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo!
Okay.
So good.
Oh.
What?
Fingers.
Did I felt like my face.
It was so good.
Head, hips, toes. Jump. I felt like my face hit first. It hurt.
Woohoo!
Was it so good?
It was so good.
Kind of like an NG. Okay. 'Cause you want this
The
one.
sun just went down.
Yeah.
It's crazy how fast it went down.
Like so quick.
Super fast. Yeah.
We're gonna hot tub and then game night.
Yeah.
Oh, games. I love games.
Oh, she loves games.
Perfect, Daddy. Perfect. Mackenzie, you better behave. Oh, it's not wonderful, okay? A lot cooler than it was. Good job.
Paddleboarding, canoeing, the boat thing with the feet, fishing. Mhm. Why don't you want to hike? We're tired. We just left Tammy's. We stayed up late. And, but we're up here in another forest in Washington. And we're trying to convince ourselves we're brave enough to make a hike.
It's just you, boo.
Oh, daughter says, she goes, okay, Mom, have fun on your hike. Okay, let's go. Daughter just said it's so pretty. I haven't explored over there yet. Sounds like there's a waterfall. This water's clear. This forest is gorgeous. Gorgeous. All right, let's peer over this ledge and see what we see. Woohoo. Can't even see a waterfall. Take a shower. Just putting my feet in there, it was freezing.